Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Shivakrishnan and I upload videos related to data analytics and its tools and AI. So thank you very much for continuously being connected with my channel. I appreciate that very much. Alright, because it does encourage me to continue creating valuable content uh, and sharing that with you. And as I've explained that, we will attempt to grow together. All right, and it's definitely I'm helping myself as well through this channel and the content on this channel. Okay, so now let's get started with today's video. Today's video we are going to cover the topic of count distinct. All right, so I'll write this DAX query, click on new measure, and once again, if you're new to my channel, right, I would like to give a brief synopsis that I usually create videos related to Excel, Power BI and AI. Okay, so I'll write the name for this as unique product names is equals to count distinct, or it's actually distinct count. Okay, so let's count the number of columns, because here you can't see the column headers, right? 1 2 3 4 5. I think it's in the sixth place. 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see. No, ideally it's not the one. I think we got it. All right, so this is a very simple DAX query, right? Distinct count, you select the column and then you close it with a parenthesis, hit enter. In a few minutes time the DAX query will be created. Okay, so you can see that this DAX query here has been created, and once again I would like to emphasize this, that if everything is blue in color, okay, everything is blue and black in that DAX query, that means that there is no error in that DAX query. If there is an error, then you'll find something highlighted in red, and you will also have a message popping up stating incorrect synthesis, or parameters not met, or too few arguments passed, something like that. So that indicates that you have violated the structure of that particular DAX query, and hence it's incomplete, and therefore your computation and calculations will not be possible. Okay, so let's cross check, and I will also explain how is this different from the earlier count. All right, just in case if you are getting new, very much new to the field of Excel and Power BI, and I'll help you explain what do I mean by distinct count. All right, so I'm going to create two cards here. All right, both the cards are created. So one is, you can see, count of unique product names as per DAX. The other one is count of unique product names without DAX. Okay, so I'll drag the measure here. Let's see. All right, and now the product names, I will drag that in this particular card. Product names. Okay, and here I will see count distinct. All right, so which means our DAX query computation is also correct. All right, so now I'll explain, like the help of example. Give me a moment here. Let me open a new blank sheet. All right, so I'll make sure that the font size is also big, so that you can clearly see easily. Okay, I think it's too big. Let me decrease the font size a little bit. I'll make it 26. Okay, all right. Okay, so now if I were to write just count, okay, it will usually give me the duplicates also. Is equals to count, then you can see the 7 numbers. However, if we were to only look at numbers that are going to be present in the column just once, right, meaning that they are not going to be repeated, then in that case what we're going to do is we're going to use this formula called unique. Okay, select all these numbers and now you will derive count out of this. Alright, so now you'll get the accurate count of numbers that are not repeated, unique numbers. So it's actually 5. Okay, so now you get, I hope now you would have been able to understand what is the importance of count distinct. Alright, the distinct count. So that's it for today's video. Alright, and in case if you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel. Alright, wherein you get the knowledge related to Excel and Power BI free of cost. And having said this, you are very much free to learn from other YouTube channels also, where you get similar content and in fact more advanced content as well. Alright, so once again, thank you for patiently watching the entire video and have a lovely day ahead.